out? I want to go in my pod! Oh, okay.
The Seven have intercepted communications from Geno intended for Dr. Sloane. We believe the Imagined Order's weapon system will reach critical mass sooner than expected. If we don't stop it now, all life on the island will be destroyed. Leading the mission will be the finest mech captain in all reality. She'll be behind the controls. You and your team will be on.
Whoa!
Weapons. The bridge is yours, Paradigm.
Hi, Paradigm.
Weapons team, listen up. Today, we're gonna put an end to the Imagined Order. For good.
Nice, let's go.
Our target is their weapon system, the Collider. Ground team, status.
Ground team, standing by. We'll have those shields down by the time you reach the island. After all, they do call me the Legend.
Nobody calls you that, Josie.
Stand by to engage launch sequence.
We're inside the Mac. That's so cool. Look at this. This is so cool.
Weapon systems hot. Now clear us a path through those rocks. Prepare for evasive maneuvers. Here we go.
Oh my gosh. Ooh, that's so cool. Okay, so the thing out around it is the 0 point, right?
Prepare for re-entry. I'm taking her down.
Oh my gosh, this is so scary. Oh.
We don't have much time to hit
Oh
the
my gosh.
Clear a path. I'll get us there. Legend? I thought you were on the case.
Yeah. Nothing we can't handle. Just as soon as we figure it out, we'll handle it. Just what he said.
Laser strike, 10 o'clock. Brace for impact.
Oh no.
Divert power to Heartbreaker. Perfect strike.
Holy.
Threat eliminated.
Ow. Okay, that thing needs to like supposed to take them out. Yeah, no, my dude. No. How are we supposed to let them through?
Come in. Do you copy?
What the hell?
Copy. Ugh, we're down. All systems damaged. We're not going anywhere without repairs.
Don't worry. I know a guy. It's your time to shine, buddy.
Peely! No!
It's worth a shot.
Why does Peely have to be the one to save the day?
Divert power to emergency recovery system. I can't believe this is working. Really for the win. We are back online.
Like, how am I supposed to?
The collider's charging up. We gotta move. Ugh, brutes are the worst. Take them out.
We've eliminated the shields. The collider's exposed.
We're on our way. Light blade activated.
Goodbye, Blim.
I'll take out the blimps. You focus on the ground forces.
Okay.
All enemy forces have been eliminated. This is our chance. Divert power to blade strike. Hold on! Eject, eject, eject!
What the hell? Ah, shit. Tahaki mushroom.
Can you hear me? Anybody hurt? Come on your feet, let's go. I don't think Sloane's too happy we're here.
I see you, Joe.
And she has a tank, so we gotta go. Stay down and follow me. Incoming fire!
You can't hide from me forever, so
Help me pick up those guards.
Systems at 45%.
If the zero point touches the crystals at the top of the collider, everything ends.
The 0 point shifting realities. Keep your distance. Unless you want to go wherever that is.
Let's move.
no one leaves until all threats are eliminated. Take them out.
Incoming!
I got it. Hey! Over here! Teamwork! High five!
My God, this is so scary.
60% climbing. Come on, come on.
Ow!
You just don't know when to quit. And I'm glad you're here. I finally get a chance to finish what I started.
Wait. Hold your fire. Sloane, you don't have to do this.
Always so dramatic. Any last words, Jones?
Look out.
Bye, lady.
I thought you could use a hand.
Thanks, Paradigm.
Welcome back, Paradigm.
Noise. Uh-oh.
Who is that?
The 0 point is focused on Geno. This is our best chance to find him.
Let's go.
What the hell?
All right, it's up to you now. We don't have much time. Those crystals will detonate the 0 point. Take them out.
What crystals? Oh, these ones.
0 point almost to the top. Last one. That's it.
Nice.
We did it.
Good job, team.
Don't worry, I got you.
Nice. Let's go. Oh my gosh. So... do we think that they're gonna find Geno? Bravo team, let's go! Oh, let's go! That's so awesome! Okay, so what do we do now? To be continued! Ooh, look at the little mushrooms! That was so good! That was so good! Bravo! That was an awesome event. Like, full on, like, I'm very pleased with what I just played. It was a little, like, I like that it was interactive, but the interactive aspect of things could have been a little less. But overall, that was so fun.